What is plate boundaries?
Boundaries are the dynamic interfaces where Earth's tectonic plates interact, shaping the planet's surface and driving geological phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building. These boundaries are not merely lines on a map but are complex zones characterized by intense geological activity.
3 types of plate boundaries.
Divergent boundaries. Divergent boundaries occur when tectonic plates move away from each other. This separation allows magma from the mantle to rise to the surface. Features: mid-ocean ridges. Underwater mountain ranges formed by volcanic activity. Example is mid-Atlantic or rift valleys. On land, divergent boundary can create rift valleys. Example is East Rift Valley. The process is: first, plates move apart. Second, magma rises to the top. And third, magma cools and solidifies, forming new crust.
Oceanic. One oceanic plate subduct under another oceanic plate. Features: island arcs, chains, volcanic island, and some Japan. Oceanic trench, depth trench, form of the subduction core. Example: Mariana Trench. The process is one oceanic plate subduct under the other. The subducting plate melts, forming magma. Magma rise up and erupt, creating volcano islands. Continental. Two continental plates collide, leading to mountains building. Features: fault mountains. Large mountain range formed by the compression and falling of the crust. Example is Himalayas. The process is two continental plates collide. The crust crumbles and falls, forming mountain.
Convergent boundaries. Convergent boundaries are zones where tectonic plates collide. The outcome of collision depends on the types of plate involved, or oceanic or continental. Types: oceanic continental, the denser oceanic plate subducts. See benefit the less dense continental plates. Figure: volcanic arcs from the continental plates due to the melting of the subducting oceanic plates. Example is Andes Mountain. Ocean beds, lift reversion because ocean floor with the oceanic plates subduct. Example: Perigee plates. The process is: number 1, oceanic plates subduct under the continental. Number 2, the subducting plate melt, forming magma. Number 3, magma rise and erupts, creating volcanoes. Thank you.
Transport boundaries is sliding plates. Transport boundaries occur where plates slide horizontally past each other. These boundaries are characterized by frequent earthquakes and faulting features, faults, fractures in the earth crust where movement occurs. The San Andreas Fault in California is a well-known example of transport fault.
Formation. Transform faults are formed by differential movement of adjacent plates. Characteristics. Transform faults are characterized by shallow earthquakes, strike-slip movement, horizontal displacement, and the absence of volcanism. Process. Plate movement. Plate slide past each other horizontally. Stress buildup. Friction causes stress to build up along the fault. Earthquake rupture. When the stress exceeds the strength of the rocks, an earthquake occurs, releasing of stored energy.